Hi, this is Pete at JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim, and this is a very minty 1995 Daihatsu Hijet 5-speed 4-wheel drive in really excellent shape, even like the hubcaps. No dents. Really good shape. Even has the battery cover, which is so rare. They never usually make it to the States. 4-wheel drive, 5-speed. Very clean bed. It's got some brush in it, but otherwise it's awfully clean. Clean frame, clean body. And she only has 29,000 miles. Super clean interior. And she starts right up. And there she goes.